Okay. Good evening, all. How are you all?
We are fine, thank
All are fine.
you.
All are ready to learn?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, good. Okay, did you do the activity which I given? Now, those who completed, take a photo and send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Some of the students I already got it, very good. And those who didn't do, they can do it today or tomorrow. Okay. Now, today we will discuss remaining solid figures. Okay. So I'm going to mute all. When I will ask you question, that time you please unmute and say answer. Okay. So last class we discuss solid figures. Okay. Ara Varun, which are the two solid figures we discussed last day? Arav, Arav, which are the two solid figures we discussed last day? Arav, can hear, ma'am? Okay, let me go to the other one. Rafan Muhammad, Rafan. Which are the two solid figures we discussed last day, Rafan? Solid figures. Ah, yes, very good. Cube and cone. Cube and cone. Okay. Now, what is the spelling of cube? Nainiga. Nainiga. What is the spelling of cube? It's very simple, no? What is the spelling of cube?
CUBE.
Very good. C-U-B-E. Cube. Now, let me ask you, Diya says, what is special about a cube? What is special about a cube? What are its faces? See, this cube have faces. Okay. What is special about these faces? All the faces look like which shape? Diya? All the faces look like which shape? Square. Very good. Okay. For a cube, all the faces look like square. And for a square, all the sides are equal. Very good, Diya. Very good. Okay. Now, Veda, name one object having the shape of a cube. Name one object, Veda. Name one object having dice. Very good. Dice and Rubik's cube have the shape of a cube. Okay, very good. Now let me ask Krishnaraj. What is the spelling of corn, Krishnaraj? Yes. What is the spelling of corn? Very good. C-O-N-E. Corn. Okay. Now, name one object having the shape of a corn. Sarah Dolphin. Sarah Dolphin. Sarah Dolphin.
Yes, ma'am.
Name one object having the shape of a corn. Corn shape. Which one?
Birthday cap.
Very good, birthday cap. Okay, very good, very good. So today we are going to discuss the remaining three figures. Okay, now let me show you that. Okay, see this object, ma'am's hand. See, this we will call it as cuboid. This we will call this solid figure. We call it as cuboid. See the faces. See, these are the side faces, okay? Side faces. This is a side face. This is a side face. This also side face. This also side face. So, all these side faces are look like which shape? Can you say which shape?
Rectangle.
Like rectangle. It's like rectangle. For a cube, all the faces look like square, and for a cuboid, all the side faces are look like rectangle. Sometimes the top and the bottom also look like rectangle or square. But for side faces, it's look like a rectangle. Okay. Now I will show you one object look like cuboid. See this box. Ah, it's look like cuboid. It's look like cuboid. See the side faces. This is a side face. This is a side face. This also a side face. This also a side face. All the side faces look like a rectangle. Okay. Okay. All the side faces look like a rectangle. Now I will show you one more object. It is very familiar to you. What is this? What is this? Ah, it's a matchbox. It's a matchbox. All the faces are a rectangle. Here, top and bottom also rectangle itself. Okay. So for a matchbox, all the faces are a rectangle. This matchbox is also an example for cuboidal shape. Okay. You got it? Now let us see next one. Okay. See.
It's a circle.
Ah, this is the next one. Next solid figure.
Cylinder.
This we will call cylinder. Very good.
Cylinder.
Some of the students already know it. Okay, this we will call cylinder. Here, top and bottom look like circle shape. Okay, so this look like this is a cylinder, solid figure. Okay, now I will show you one object. See, what is this? It's already you saw. Ah, this is a. What is the name of the object? It is a battery. It's a battery. Battery look like cylinder shape. Battery look like cylinder shape. Okay. Now the last one. Okay. Now the last one. It is sphere. Okay. It is sphere. Okay. It is a sphere, and I will show you one example. See, it's a small ball. Okay. Small ball. Cricket ball is an example having the shape of a sphere, or globe is an example, or we can say image of earth picture, that also, or earth that picture also look like sphere shape. Okay, so today we are going to discuss cuboid, okay, cylinder, and the last one spheres. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. Okay, so today we are going to discuss 3 more solid figures. Okay, 3 more solid figures. Which is the first one? Cuboid. Okay, cuboid. What is special about the cuboid? Cuboids, all the side faces are rectangle. All the side faces are a rectangle. For a cuboid, all the side faces are a rectangle. Sometimes the top and bottom faces are also rectangle shape. But what is special about a cube? Cube, for a cube, for a cube, all the faces are square shape. All the faces are square shape. Now, after cuboid, I show you cylinder. Okay, cylinder, top and bottom we can see circle shape. Okay, circle shape. Battery, other than battery we can say candle. Okay, gas cylinder.
Gas cylinder.
Okay, then we can say what log of wood.
The earth is.
Okay, that also look like what? Cylinder shape. Okay, now let us see more examples. Okay, let us see more examples. Okay, now Veda Vinod Kumar, can you see the screen? Veda, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, what you can see on the screen? It's a cuboid. Its outline you can see. Yes, cuboid's outline. Okay, now what is the object on this one? What is the object? No, this is not a book. It's a brick. Okay, it's a bricks. Okay, this will use for making house and all. Okay, bricks. Bricks looks like cuboid. Bricks look like cuboid. Okay, now Daksha Lakshmi. What about this one? Daksha, name the object which I circled.
Ball.
Name the object. What's the name of the object? It's a matchbox. What is the name of the object? What's the name of the object?
Matchbox.
Okay. So this matchbox also look like cuboid. Okay. Now Diya KP, sit properly and look at the object. What about this one? Name the object. It's a
Book.
book. It's a book. that book also look like cuboidal shape. Okay, now let us see how we can draw a cuboid. Okay, no need to draw now. Now listen to ma'am and look at the screen. Okay, I will draw on the screen. Okay, now for a square we draw, for a cube we draw square. Okay, now for a cuboid what we have to draw? Can you say what we have to draw? Ah, very good. For a cuboid, we have to draw a rectangle. Very good, able Sijo. Okay. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle. What is special about a rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. For a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. I draw one rectangle. Okay. Now I am going to draw one more rectangle. I'm going to draw one more rectangle. Where we will start? The second rectangle we will start from inside of the first one. Okay, from inside of the first one. Okay, now I'm going to mark the corners. Okay, now what is the next step? We are joining the corners. We are joining the corners. Okay, now what's the name of the figure we got it? What's the name of the figure we got it? Daksha, Deepak? What's the name of the figure? Ah, it's cuboid. It's cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Okay? It's cuboid. Okay. Now, Samanvaya, can you name one of the object, one example for cuboidal shape? Just I show you now. What is this? See? Look at ma'am and say, what is it? What is it?
Matchbox
Ah, matchbox. Book also correct only. Here I am going to write matchbox. Okay, M-A-T-C-H, matchbox. Okay, matchbox looks like cuboid. Okay, matchbox look like cuboid. Okay, now let us see the next one. Okay, let us see the next one. See, Malavika, which is a solid figure we can see on the screen?
Cylinder.
Ah, cylinder. We can see cylinder. Okay, we can see cylinder. Okay, now Shivadnedya, please switch on the video. And then Smindo, look at the screen. What is the name of the object which I circled on the screen? And then what's the name of the object which I circled on the screen? Say, unmute your device and say.
Battery.
Ah, it's a battery. Battery looks like cylinder shape. Okay. Okay. Ion, CS. Ion. What is this? Name the object. Unmute your device and say. Unmute your device and say.
Cylinder.
Ah, it's a gas cylinder. Okay, it's a gas cylinder. Gas cylinder also look like cylinder shape. Very good. Okay, now Ashajit, what about this one? Name the object. Name the object which is circle. Ah, it's a it's a candle. It's a candle. Candle also look like which shape? Cylinder shape. Okay. Now Nainika, what about this one? Name the object. Nainika.
Cup.
Ah, it's a cup. Okay. What is the shape of the object?
Cylinder.
Ah, cylinder. Okay, very good. Now, Andrea, Anish. Andrea, what about this one? Andrea, name the object. Say louder.
Tree.
It's a wood, piece of wood. Okay, log of wood. Okay, that also look like cylinder shape. Okay, now let us see how can we draw a cylinder. Okay, now I will give time to draw. Now listen to ma'am and look at the screen. Okay, for drawing a cylinder, what we will do first? we will draw two standing lines. Okay, they are equal in length. Okay, they are equal in length. Now, at the top and bottom, we will draw circles. At the top and bottom, we will draw the circle. Now, Nainika, what's the name of the figure we got it on the screen? What's the name of the figure we got it on the screen?
Forward channel.
Ah, say Nainika. What's the name of the figure we got it, Nainika?
Cylinder.
Ah, cylinder. Very good. What's the spelling? Cylinder. Cylinder. Very good. Okay. Now, Afrin. Afrin. Where are you, Afrin? Afrin. Afrin. Say one example for cylinder shape object. Afrin.
Yes, ma'am.
Say one example for cylinder shape.
Example of battery.
Battery. Okay, battery is an example for cylinder shape object. Okay, cylinder shape object. Okay, now let us see next one. Okay, see Sahasra. No need to write now. Listen to ma'am and look at the screen. Okay, what is the outline of the solid figure we can see here?
Yeah.
This one. It's a sphere. Okay, it's a sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Now, Ashif. Ashif, what is this? Name the object, Ashif.
Globe.
Globe.
It's a globe. It's a globe. Globe look like sphere shape. Okay, globe look like sphere shape. Now, Arav Arun, what about this one? Arav, what about the next one? Okay, it's an image of earth. Okay, it's an image of earth. Okay, what is that, Arav? It's an image of earth. Okay, that also look like, what is the shape? What is the shape? Sphere. Okay, what is the shape? Sphere. Now, Rose and Francis, what about this picture? What about this picture?
Ball.
It's a bowl. It's a bowl. Bowl also having the shape of a sphere. Okay. Now, Suresh, what about this one? Did you see anywhere? This we can see during the Christmas time. Okay, for decorating the Christmas tree and all, we are using this. Okay, so this decorating item also look like which shape? Sphere shape. Okay, now it is clear for everybody. Now it is clear for everyone. So today we discuss cuboid, cylinder, and sphere. Okay. Now for a cuboid, this is an example. Okay. All the side faces are a rectangle, and for a cylinder, battery we can see, and for the last one, sphere, we can say a ball. Okay. It's a small ball. Okay. Now, all of you ready with the rough book and pencil? Yes, take your rough book. Take your rough book. Take your rough book. Okay? Take the rough book. Take the rough book. So now we are going to draw the third solid figure. Okay? Third solid figure. What is that? What's the third solid figure we are going to draw? A cuboid. Okay. For drawing a cuboid, what we will draw first? Which basic shape we will draw first? We will draw rectangle. Okay. So you draw in your notebook. I draw on the screen. Okay. Draw one rectangle in your rough book. Okay. In your rough book. Okay. Draw one rectangle. In your rough book. Okay. 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 In your rough bo
ഇത് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യാനുണ്ടേ.
Okay, so I draw one rectangle on the screen. What's the next step? One more rectangle that we will start from the inside of the first one. Okay, inside of the first one.
ഇങ്ങനെ സ്റ്റാൻഡിങ് ലൈൻ വരച്ച് ഈ കുറച്ച് ഗ്യാപ്പ് ഇട്ട് ഇതിങ്ങനെ വരച്ച് ഇനി ഇവിടെ ഒരു സാറ്.
Okay, Ashif, where is a cuboid picture? Are you drawing?
Yes.
Very good. So next we will mark the corners. Okay, now what's the next step? We will join the corners. Devananda, what's the name of the figure we got it? What's the name of the figure we got it?
Cuboid.
Ah, it's cuboid. So, what's the spelling of cuboid? C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Okay, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Anthony Shan, sit properly and name one object having the shape of a cuboid. Name one object having the shape of a cuboid. Anthony Shan, unmute your device and say. Unmute your device and say. Which one? Name one object having the shape of a cuboid. I didn't understand. No, I am asking. Name one object having the shape of a cuboid. See, what is this? Look at ma'am's hand. What is this? Matchbox. Okay, so we can write here matchbox. Matchbox is an example for cuboidal shape. Matchbox is an example for cuboidal shape. Other than matchbox, we can write your pencil box is also an example. Okay. Now bricks is an example. So matchbox, M-A-T-C-H-B-O-X, matchbox. Anmia Regal, did you draw the cuboid shape? Okay, good. Very good. Nice picture. Keep it up. Okay, good, nice. Very good. Okay, so
I have finished.
now we will move to the next one. Okay, are you ready? Can we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So we will do here itself. Now the fourth one. Okay, fourth one is cylinder. For drawing a cylinder, we will draw two standing lines having equal length. Okay. Two standing lines having equal length. Okay. Now, then what we will do? We will draw circle. Where we will draw the circle? At the top and at the bottom. We will draw circles at the top and bottom. Devadarsh, what's the name of the picture we got it? Devadarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the name of the picture we got it?
Cylinder.
Very good. It's cylinder. So what is spelling? C Y L I N D E R. Cylinder. C Y L I N D E R. Cylinder. C Y L I N D E R. Cylinder.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Very good. Ashujit, name one object having the shape of a cylinder. Name one object having the shape of a cylinder. See?
Battery.
Ah, very good. It's a battery. Okay. Battery. 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 Battery.
Ma'am, I have finished.
Very good. You have completed. Very good. Very good.
I have completed.
Very good, Shivadnidyash. Very good.
Ma'am, I complete.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Very good.
I completed.
Very good. Very good. Let's move to next one.
Ma'am, I complete. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
complete.
Okay, we can move to the next one. Okay.
I have complete.
Pickle boom. Pickle.
Okay. Now the last one. Okay. Fifth one. Okay. Now fifth one is a sphere. Okay. How we will draw? We will put a C curve and we will close it. So we will get a circle. We will get a circle. Then what we will do? We will draw curves inside the circle. Inside. Again these positional words are coming. Inside. Okay. Inside the circle. We will draw curves. Inside the circle. Okay. Fia Elizabeth, name the picture we got it. Name the solid figure.
Eat.
Name the solid figure we got it. Fia.
Sphere.
Ah, sphere. Okay. Very good, Ryan. Very good. Okay. S P H E R E. S P H E R E. Sphere. Fia, can you name one example which look like sphere shape? Give an example for sphere shape object. Clock, can we say? What about the ball? Ball, cricket, basketball, all these are examples. Okay. Here we can write ball or globe. Globe is also an example. Okay. Globe is also one example. Globe or ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Ryan, you completed?
Ma'am, I have completed.
Ryan completed?
And I did.
Very good.
Complete.
Very good. Very good.
I complete.
Very good. Now I'm going to stop sharing. I'm going to stop sharing. Okay, good. Now I'm going to stop sharing and listen to me. So today by today we completed that chapters. Okay, so we discussed the last one, solid figures. Okay, today we discuss cuboid, cylinder and sphere. Okay, now tomorrow we will discuss the exercise related to chapter 1. Okay, that we will do in the textbook. So when you come tomorrow, be ready with the textbook and pencil. Okay, now it is clear for everybody this solid figures.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, once again, I am saying those who completed the activity, take the picture of it and send it to my personal WhatsApp. Okay, very good. Okay, now I'm okay. Okay, say
Complete this.
very good, very good, very good. Okay, very good. Also, you write and study the spelling today's shapes. Okay, which are the cuboid, cylinder, and sphere. How many times? 5 times in the rough book. Okay, and the notes I will send you in the WhatsApp that you write in the Max notebook. Okay, so it's time to winding up. Okay,
Ma'am,
yes,
I
very good,
finished.
Sahasra. Sahasra, very good.
Excuse me.
Yes, say,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, say.
I also have to.
Ah, very good, Sarah. I saw it. Okay. Take the image of it and send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. 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 Are you now let me go. Let me wind up the session.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye. See you next. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.